Hello everyone! So if you want to connect your Marshall Major 4 headphones to your Android smartphone, so first of all, open up your settings on your smartphone and you are to find your connection step, find your Bluetooth and make sure to turn it on. Now grab your Marshall headphones and hold on this golden button. So hold it. Here at the bottom you'll see your identifier. Your light identification, so when it glows with the blue color, it means it's in a pairing mode. Now on the list of the available devices, let's look for our Marshall's Major 4. As you see, we found them, so simply tap on them. So the pairing process is going on. Confirm your choice by pressing tab. And basically that's it. That's how you connect your Marshall Major 4 BT to your Android smartphone. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.